problem of infertility in Northeast is increasing day by day, and the list of causes is quite long. The common causes we see in Northeast are stress, advanced age of females, male infertility factors like smoking, alcohol, hormonal causes like PCOS, and other medical problems too. At Janitva, we understand you and we are always here to help you to build a family.
Ka Sorkar Jylla kalarai bantai Tylli ki 5-star luxury resort kata gawai ha Umiam ha district Riboy bat gawai ha Sohra ha district East Khasi Hills bat kalarai ru ban penthamai ya ka Polo Orchid Tura West Garo Hills kani kalong kum shibenta ban penbhai ki jakasa jong wan jong okai perthai khnang manang khring shu ginong wan jong okai shaka Jylla yakni lapentip do menteri katna jong okai perthai ki Jylla ba poleng do Habakran ni kelat patai kubor hak praterik unaitung arajar arpusan uba poleng do ulitho bagi Sorkar kala jam sekemat ban pentrei da ka PPP mode yaki project ban kentiu ki kam jung okai hak Jylla da ka bakdo ban benta ka 5-star luxury resort ha Sohra ka Sorkar kala dep ban itho ke jaka ka bemarjan bagi Jiva resort ka badairu ke jaka jong ka tenat jung okai perthei ka bahaya arpusan akar ha ka bala dep ban IT ke jaka ka basan akar ban sedang pentrei kam no menta ka senam Uba poleng do uli itu ba katna jengok kai perthai kala yo ru ya ka daulen nong ka bahaya laipun rio point nyopra akar ya ka bala pentrai kam dagi ru shimat ki snam ka bala let ban meta ka beran kam ban khot tender ban sedang pentrai no ek resort ha ka baydai ba kathan rilom garo umentri katna jengok kai perthai uli itu ba katna kan maramat ba penthamai no ya ka Polo Orchid Hotel Hatura daga penbuan kumasi sepatuli kamera hakane ka Polo Orchid Hotel kenang bana shosho ban kring kino wan jung okai perthai shakane ka than uba poleng do uli thu bai kini project jakatna jung okai perthai la kershan bat be tengka daga Meghalaya Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy bat ka Northeast Industrial Policy.
So the state government now in its continuous attempt to improve the tourism sector and infrastructure in the state. Yesterday we had a meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister where I was also present and we took up discussion on several initiatives in the tourism sector. So I'm glad to inform you that we are making significant strides and we are entering into a PPP mode in several new initiatives. One such initiative which has reached a very advanced stage is the construction of a 5-star luxury resort at Sohra and this work is being we are completing the financial bids on the 11th of this month and we are also starting something unique and new to Meghalaya which is glamping sites where we have identified plots at Sohra and at Umiam and we will be able to see that these glamping sites are also taken up within this current financial year. At Umiam, as I had briefed you earlier, with the Department of Forest and Environment handing over and transferring close to 300 acres of land, we will now be able to expand the flagship program for a 5-star resort at Umiam which will be of a global scale and pride for Meghalaya's tourism. We are integrating the 36.78 acre island which is part of the lake, the Umiam lake, and was earlier being run by one private entrepreneur. Now this has also been settled, so we will now have 35 acres of mainland plus 36.78 acres of island to be part of the integrated flagship 5-star resort. We will initiate the tendering process at the earliest. We, in the Garo Hills sector, the town of Tura has one hotel by the name of Polo Orchid, and we are going to redevelop the project and scale up the project, whereby we are projecting that there will be an increase in footfalls with over 100 rooms as part of the newly rejuvenated Hotel Polo Orchid at Tura. These initiatives, which are supported by capital subsidies and tax incentives under the MIIPP and the Northeast Industrial Policy, will certainly help attaining the stage of a premier destination for luxury and eco-tourism. And it also is in sync with what we are promoting right now, which is high value, low volume tourism. So this is briefly what I have to share with you. Sohra, this is close to what we now have, the Jylla resort. Next to that, we have roughly about 25 acres of land belonging to the Department of Tourism, out of which 5 acres has been allocated for the construction of this luxury resort. Bidders in Sohra, we have Hills and Canyon Hotels, which is a high end of the brand of the Holiday Express by IHG. So it's a high end brand.